growth limits here. Everything's under control. Control as the physics of capex of capital teach us. Aggressive leverage without a solid foundation is just a thermal failure waiting to happen. When the pressure mounts, even the most advanced systems can fail without warning. Wait, is that smoke? That's a Lithuanian thermal runaway. We need mitigants, AV technology right now to encapsulate before it destroys our core assets. Neutralizing such risk requires the right tools to protect your most vital assets. Here is where mitigating class L extinguishers come in. It's not water or conventional foam. Exactly, it's a thick chocolate-colored mineral suspension that it inks the lithium and cuts off the oxygen. The metal generates itself. Master the laws of financial stability by securing your copy of the book today. Yeah, that was close. Thank goodness we know about the physics of capital. Exactly, next time better read the manual before saturating the outlets. Get it right now on Amazon. Master the laws of financial stability by securing your copy of the book today. Yeah, that was close. Thank goodness we know about the physics of capital. Exactly, next time better read the manual before saturating the outlets. Get it right now on Amazon. Mitigan. Your capital thermally secure.